Hey, what's up guys? It's Neverpal from WebAppCode. So guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to append, how to create elements with JavaScript and append them into your body or your div tag that you have created. So the first thing guys, I'm going to define the variables here. As you can see, I've done here. So okay, so as you can see, I've defined my variables, which is box, wrapper, inbox, I, max level, and body. Okay, battery wrapper. I'll create a div which I'll append inside our body. That's why I'm writing body document dot query selector, which will select this body. Then the next code will be body dot append. We will append body wrapper inside there. So to confirm if our body wrapper is appended, we can just create, which is battery wrapper, give it an attribute of set, sorry guys, set attribute. Okay, attribute takes two parameters, which are I'm now creating ID and giving it an ID of what I want to call it. So I'll just say ID and do an attribute that. So into my CSS, I'm going to do this background. We give it like red. We give it like 40 pixels and width. I give it like, let's say 80 pixels times the height to no forgotten pixels. With height every wrapper. Let me write. As you can see, we have created our div inside our body. So if we inspect, I guess you'll see body div and the ID that we gave it, which is battery wrapper, which we have styled it in our CSS. And also you can add class. If you want to use class, you can just say the attribute of your battery wrapper. Give it like a class, and I know guys you'll see it here. So as you can see, battery wrapper, class, ID, and also you can set you can give it a data. You can add anything in your div as long as you are using its created element here, which is battery wrapper. So I'll set attribute, which is data. I want to give it a data animated. Give it like false. Okay guys, let us check if we have it here. As you can see, data animated false. Here it is, and so on and so forth. So the next thing guys you can do is you can create if you want to write data inside your div that you've created, you can come here, let me comment, create another div. So as you can see, I've defined here in a variable. So in a variable, we'll just take document. We'll just do the same here as we've done here, but this time I want to put text like P. Yeah, let us check. Oh no. So the next thing we want to do is append it. Append as a child inside the created div. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just take very wrapper dot append child, which is this inbox. Let us see. Yeah, and I think it has worked. Then the next thing I'm going to give in a box of values, which is inbox dot set attributes. Yeah. Set attributes. I want to give it a class which value takes like paragraph. So let me make some changes, like I give it here. Just a minute. Margin. Auto. And now I give it like a 200 pixel. And background we give it like silver. So guys, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna append create a text node which is created like this. Let me just define it here. Text node that we want to create. We put it here dot now is equals to document dot. Okay, just a minute. I'm gonna do these dot create text node. This text node, what you guys do is gonna take like never pause is WebAppCode front and developer. So the next thing I'm gonna do, as you can see, we say that we gotta append the child here, so we're gonna take inboxes. Just a minute, I did a mistake here. Okay, and here, so I'm gonna take like inboxes dot append text node. This text node is supposed to append it in Yeah. And as you can see, we have appended our hidden boxes and this text here to our body that we've created using JavaScript. So guys, it's very simple. What you gotta do is just the same procedure that you've done here. You just define a variable, create your element, give it a class, give it a an ID, just style it in your CSS. So guys, I'm gonna thank you guys for watching, and we'll see each other next time. Ciao.